Hey guys, so I just opened this maintenance hatch, and then we'll bring this hatch back to our home and then apply the shielding material. So this is our maintenance hatch, and then here and here, so this has two prominent, so like the seesaw. So the face, these are the underneath, the face is not flat, so once fastened, the bolt is fastened, so this maintenance hatch can be deformed and then like this fixed. So that's the reason why here we can see the gap. So we need to apply some sealing material around here. So maybe this is very important because underneath of this maintenance hatch, so almost more than 70 degrees Celsius that the heater core, so that very hot air can escape from this space, the gap, to or inside the room of that car. It can affect very much. I've applied this shielding material, so this cap should be shield totally. So this you can hear this sound, so the shielding capability should be very enough. I can hear the sound this here. So seems good. I will install this maintenance hatch soon.